Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find a hike, park or address on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the third option, and now as you can see there's a popular nearby section. So here if you scroll down you can select from these results, or you can also type in your search into the search bar. Tap on it and now you should select so if you go back you can see that there are many categories at the top, such as all hikes, parks, trails or places. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, click on it, and then you will be able to see it on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.